Dear children, today we have to start our next topic. The name of the topic is a hydrosphere. Now, let me talk to you about the hydrosphere. Dear children, already we have to complete about the lithosphere, and you know very well that lithosphere is concerned with the solid part, while hydrosphere is concerned with the liquid part. The hydrosphere is the liquid components of the earth. Now, dear children, what they have to given that? They have to given that hydrosphere is concerned with the which components? Concerned with the liquid components of the earth. It include ocean, sea, lake, ponds, river, and the stream. Which things was to be included in the hydrosphere? You have to include it in the hydrosphere concerned with the liquid thing, and you know very well that it is concerned with the ocean, sea, lake, pond, river, and the stream. On the surface of the earth, the area of water is more than that of land. Dear children, you know very well that in a earth the area of water is more than that of a land. It means we know that very well that water is more part compared with the land. Hydrosphere cover the 71 percentage of the earth's surface. How much percentage was covered by the earth's surface? The hydrosphere covered the 71 percentage of the earth's surface. A water body in hydrosphere that carries a huge amount of water, it is known as the ocean. What is known as the ocean? A water body in the hydrosphere that carries a huge amount of water. It means it carries a huge, it means large amount of water. It is known as the ocean. This ocean are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. This all are the name of the ocean. They have to given that. Which are the ocean? They have to given that Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. All these oceans are connected with each other, and this whole above ocean are connected with each other. The water bodies close to the land are known as a sea. Now, what is the meaning of sea? Sea, it means the water body close to the land are known as the sea. Bay, strait, gulf, etc. This all are the name of the water body who close to the land. The ocean on the earth are huge and the deep. What they have to given their children? The ocean on the earth are huge and deep, and valley with the depth of 10 to 11 kilometers are located at their bottom. What they have to given about the valleys information? They have to given about the valley with a depth how much? Near about 10 to 11 kilometer located at the bottom level. The ocean bed has similar features like that the surface of the earth. It has high mountain, plateau, vast plain, valley, etc. Mummy, how much water will there be in the sea? How much water will be there in the sea water? Salty, it is useful to us. Now what they have to given that? Now they have to given that. They have to ask the question by Dhanvin. Dhanvin asked the question to mother that, Mummy, how much more water will there be in the sea? Since sea water is salty, it is useful to us. And what question Dhanvin asked to her mother? Dhanvin asked the question to his mother that, Mummy, sea water is salty. Then how this water is useful to us? Yes, ocean contain 97 percentage of total amount of water on the earth. Now what they have to given that? They have to given that ocean contain how much? 97 percentage of total amount of water on the earth. Approximately one third of the remaining water is trapped in the ice cap and the glacier. What they have said that? They have to said that near about one third part. How much? One third part of the remaining water is trapped with the ice cap and the glacier at pole, Himalaya, and other mountains. Some water is accumulated in the lakes. What they have said that? They have to say that some water was accumulated in the lakes and some flow in the river and some store in the interior of the earth as a groundwater. The amount of potable fit for drinking water is less. Fresh water is the precise, and we know very well that which water, fresh water is very precise. The fresh water is required by living being for their existence. Now what happened there? We are using in day to day life, in daily life, which water we are using? We are using the fresh water. That's why they have to say that fresh water is required by the living being for their existence. The moisture, what they have to given that moisture, what was the meaning of moisture? Moisture, it means nami, humidity of rain, which is the main source of fresh water. Which is the main source of the fresh water? The rain is the main source of the fresh water, come from the oceans only. Valuable chemicals, minerals, salt, fishes, etc. are found in the sea. What they have to say there? They have to say that valuable chemicals, minerals, salt, fishes, all things we are founded from the sea. As we have living the organisms on the land, in the same way the sea and the ocean have aquatic life. What they would say that? They have to say, if we have to study about the hydrosphere, that in living organism they have also, sea and ocean have the aquatic life inside them, and they have tremendous force of the wave. What they have to say that? They have to say that they have a tremendous force for the waves, tides, and the currents. Ocean are to be the potential source for generating the electricity. Besides this, oceans are also useful as the waterway, and we know very well that we are using the ocean as one kind of the transportation system for the waterways. Now dear children, they have to given about the outline map of the world. Our next topic is concerned with the atmosphere. Which atmosphere? The sphere of the air that wrap the earth from all sides is called the atmosphere. What is the meaning of the atmosphere, dear children? You have to say that the sphere of the air that wrap the earth from all the sides is called as a atmosphere. Now what was the meaning of the wrap? Wrap, it means one kind of the hide, chadar, chipana. So same way we cannot see the air. So same way, what they have to say that? They have to say the sphere of the air that wrap the earth from all the sides is called as a atmosphere. It extends approximately up to 1600 kilometer from the surface of the earth. It cannot be seen clearly with the naked eye. What they have to say that? They have to say that we cannot clearly see the air from our eyes, like compare with lithosphere and hydrosphere. In lithosphere, solid part we have to see, rock we have to see. In hydrosphere, water we have to see. But in atmosphere we cannot see the air. Atmosphere is composed of various gases. Now how the atmosphere is prepared? The atmosphere is composed of the various gases: water vapor, dust particles, smoke, salt, microorganism, etc. Atmosphere is colorless, odorless, and the transparent. Solid, liquid, and the gaseous elements are included in the atmosphere. It means, what they have to say that? They have to say that in atmosphere you have to include solid, liquid, and the gaseous elements. The all elements are to be included in the atmosphere. It contain approximately 78% of nitrogen and 21% of oxygen and 1% of other gases are there. What they have to say that in atmosphere? In atmosphere, here the 78% nitrogen is there, 21% oxygen is there, and 1% of other gases are there. When we go to the higher from the surface of the earth, the amount of the most of the gases in the atmosphere is decreasing. Now what happened there? When we go higher from the surface of the earth, the amount of most of the gases in the atmosphere is decreasing. The carbon dioxide gas is heavy, so it is found more in the lower layer of the air. What they have to given that? They have to given that in the carbon dioxide gas is heavy, so it is found more in the lower layer of the air.